Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make hummus. This hummus recipe is really easy to do, very few ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. Good thing about this recipe is you don't have to worry about measuring super precise, and you can make it your own. If you don't like as much olive oil, don't use as much olive oil. If you don't like as much tahini, don't use as much tahini, etc. So I'm starting with about a third cup of tahini, and tahini is pretty much a sesame seed butter, like peanut butter but with sesame seed. That's essentially what it is. This is an organic brand imported from Israel. Pretty awesome. So when you buy this kind, the oil will be separated usually, and you got to stir that in. And then I'm going to add my olive oil. This is about a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I have a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm not going to add it all in though. I'm going to reserve some for later just to be able to taste it. Same with the garlic. I have a couple cloves of garlic, and I'm just gonna put in almost all of it just so I can taste it. Salt. So salt, I have about a teaspoon of salt, and you can always add a little bit more salt later if you wish. And then I'm gonna add water. I have about a fourth cup of cold water here, and I'm just gonna add about half of it to start, a little bit more than half. And we'll add more as necessary. And I'm going to start by pulsing those ingredients first. All right. Fantastic. And I'm going to come in here and scrape down these sides so some of that stuff can get in there. And now the star of this dish are the garbanzo beans or chickpeas, or they're also called chickpeas. And these are just from a can, 15-ounce can, or 425 grams. And if you want your hummus to be more smooth, is you want to take off the outer shell. It comes off really easy, but it takes a lot of time to do that with all of them. It just depends on how smooth you want it. It'll still be pretty smooth this way. Now let's pulse this up. Come in here and get those sides down again. Let's take a quick peek. Looking really good. It's a little thick. If you like really thick hummus, this is really good actually. I like it like this. But like I said, if you wanted it to be smoother than this, you'll want to take off those outer shells. I'm going to add the rest of my cold water. That's looking good. I'm going to give it just a little taste. It's really good as is, but I think I'm going to add the rest of this garlic. I like more of a garlic flavor to mine. That's just my preference. And then just a little bit, probably the rest of this lemon juice. I love a good lemon flavor as well. Again, if you don't like a strong lemon flavor, you can reduce the lemon, etc. Totally up to you. And I think I'll add just a little bit more, just a couple shakes of salt. Won't go too crazy with it. All right. And then again, just come in here. It's always good to go around with your spatula and just dislodge any pieces that might be hanging out on the sides. All right, that's actually pretty good. I think I'm good. Call it good. Give it a quick taste. Oh yeah, perfect. Then I'll scoop it out and put it in this bowl. To finish it off, a lot of times people will add just a little bit of olive oil to the top. And then come in here and do a little bit of paprika. That classic look on top. And there we go, homemade hummus. Oh yeah. And then you can serve it with raw vegetables, with pita bread, flatbread, whatever you like to do. I might come in here and get some. Oh yeah. So yummy. I'm just gonna sit here and eat it all right in front of you. All right, the homemade hummus is done. Turned out fantastic, really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Mmm.